Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to share how I unexpectedly fell in love with keeping guppies. In August 2025, I brought home just 2 pairs of guppies. Honestly, I didn't think they were very special at first. They were just small fish, and I simply wanted to try a new hobby. But before I knew it, everything changed. Guppies are fascinating little fish. They're peaceful, active, and incredibly easy to care for, which is one reason they're one of the most popular freshwater fish in the world. Watching them swim around the aquarium is surprisingly relaxing and even helps reduce stress. One of the things I enjoy most is watching the baby guppies grow. Every time they're born, I get excited because no 2 babies are exactly alike. Each one develops its own unique colors and patterns. The males are usually the most colorful, with beautiful blue, red, orange, or even iridescent tails. The females are less colorful, but they have their own gentle beauty. What's really amazing is that many guppies change color as they mature, so every few weeks they look a little different. Today, my little guppy family has grown so much that I now have 3 aquariums. I never imagined I would become so attached to these tiny fish, but they have truly become part of my daily life. People often think keeping fish is difficult, but guppies are actually perfect for beginners. I change about 30% of the water once a week, clean the aquarium about once a month, and keep the filter running properly. With simple, regular care, they stay healthy and continue to thrive. If you're looking for a relaxing hobby, I highly recommend keeping guppies. They're beautiful, peaceful, easy to care for, and every day brings something new to discover. Watching new generations grow is one of the most rewarding experiences. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear about your own guppies or answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.